Alright, well, I'm plowing, and I don't think you need another plowing video, but what I am going to show you is this laundromat loses quarters. And this is a bag. That's $500 in quarters. Advice I have for you is, if you have to go get quarters from your bank and you don't have a shortage like half the country thinks they do, in my bank, if I do under $500, they give me quarters all wrapped up in rolls and I have to break them apart. If I get 500 or more, they're in bags and they're loose. So just a piece of advice. I mean, you may not have that option, but instead of sitting there and unrolling stuff, you can sit there and just dump it in. So that's what I do. Show you how low it is. It's pretty low. And it was up to about here. And it's hard to see. It's like an unboxing video of quarters. And I only dropped one. I know I told you before, there's certain times a year, there's certain times a week that laundromats aren't very busy. Well, when it's cold like this, I mean really cold, they're not busy. Now eventually these people have to come out and start doing laundry. And when they do, they usually slam your place. Big advice. A lot of people will have run down junky change machines and they wonder why people are pissed. Well, people can't get stuff to wash with. They can't get money. So all of a sudden, the first experience in your laundromat, they're pissed. Like I said before, you want to make people happy in the beginning and the end. So you want to have great dryers and you want to have a great change machine. Make them happy when they come in. They can count on the place is going to work. And then you want to be able to tell them, hey, look, all my dryers work all the time and they're pretty. Now I know what you're thinking. You're like, man, Keenan sounds like he's sick. I am a little under the weather. Is it COVID? No, it's not COVID. I've just got a normal, everyday cold. All right, well, we're going to head over to the Stop and Rob. If you didn't see my post, the Stop and Rob across from my laundromat where I have the homeless problem, they met me the other night when I was there working on the machines, and he said, hey, if you have any problems with people, we're not serving them anymore. So the people that have been coming in drunk, they're not serving them. They're not giving them alcohol. They're actually banning them from their store because they're tired. I guess they're dealing with the same thing too, and they're tired of it. So they're banning them too. And he said, if you have any more problems with anybody else, you let us know and we'll ban them too. Then in the process, he's like, hey, can I pay you to plow my parking lot? His parking lot was bad. It was like a foot deep. And I said, no, I'll just do it. And he goes, no, I'll pay you. How about we make a deal? And so basically we made some deal where I'm getting paid a little less than what they normally charge somebody. And I'm plowing it because I'm already there. So right now we're going to head over there. I'll roll the camera. You can see this parking lot. It's a big square. It's easy as hell to plow. So, but it's really funny. Now I got the Stop and Rob helping me with the homeless problem. But what will happen is those people will quit bothering me. They'll go back in that store and they won't come back over to the laundromat. That's what's going to happen. And so I might be able to put my chairs back in. I might be able to do, it's a game changer. I might be able to do a lot of things with that laundromat now that I wasn't doing before. So let's head over there and get that plowed. Well, got that done. Didn't destroy anything and didn't tear up the stopping rod. Pretty. And they're helping me out. That's a win-win in my book. Sometimes you just really luck out in life. This is one of those times. You know what I say about Joe and what he says about government work? This is perfect. I'm gonna go do my other 2 laundromats. You've seen them a million times. There's nothing different. It's a real light snow. Take it easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just like to pass along things I learn and things I do. So maybe you can learn from my mistakes and be more successful. Until next time.